how to use Ome TV without login. So if you want to use Ome TV without login, then first you need to open up your Ome TV application. Once you open up your Ome TV, now here on the bottom you will have two options. One is continue with Facebook and the other one is continue with VK. So if you don't want to use Ome TV by logging in, then you can go with continue with VK. So tap on continue with VK so that no one will be able to know if that is you. So tap on continue with VK and then you need to sign in to your Ome TV with your VK account. So enter your phone number or your email address of your VK account. But if you don't have your VK account, then you can just simply go with create account and you can sign up for VK. So go with your country code at first, enter your mobile number, and after that go with continue and sign up for your VK ID. Once you created your VK ID, then you can log into your Ome TV with your VK ID. So in this way, you'll be able to use your Ome TV without logging in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.